Hi, I'm Jason at the Edible Garden at the Home Show, and today I'd like to show you around my edible garden. So, fantastic to incorporate in a small garden. It's a fantastic herb bowl incorporating a range of herbs you can just plonk straight on the table and have fresh picked straight into your food. Also great for incorporating in your small garden is a little insect hotel to encourage your good bugs. This will get your beneficial bees and your predators to incorporate good balance in the garden. Coming across is your citrus caviar. So incorporating your little caviar beads of the citrus, it's going to improve and make it a real delight out of any food situation. Also great in a small garden is a blueberry plant. We can grow in a large pot or plant it in garden for a small bush that's going to give a prolific abundance of fruit. So this is my edible garden. I'd love for you to come down and check it out at the Home Show.